Hey, what's going on, my social media people? We're here on the job site, and we just replaced a part on the Jandy FloPro. Let me show you what we found and with the upgraded part what we did. So right here we have a Jandy FloPro 2 horsepower single-speed pump that we had to replace the body housing completely. Fairly simple swap out that we had to disconnect the whole backside of the pump, the motor, taking everything out with the seal plate and all the parts connected to it there. And what ended up happening was that our client's pump housing actually sprung a leak. It sprung a leak right underneath the tightening nut there. So at first we thought that maybe possibly he replaced the gaskets on the nut there, but that ended up not being the case. And under very close eye, we noticed that from underneath it was spraying up and all out, where the whole entire concrete pad was just soaking wet. Here's the old pump housing, okay? And I want you to take very slight notice on here how they don't have this hump like on the new one they have. See right there, it looks like they strengthened this area right here from, this was probably a pump that was installed back in maybe somewhere around 2016 or so. We've only done, this is probably only the second motor swap out we've ever done, but first of the pump housing. So this motor here was replaced back in 2020, so there was no need for a whole new pump. So very simple repair, everything is running operational. All we had to do was swap out the vacuum and plugs right here, retain the same lid, retain the same pump basket, and obviously all the coupling nuts. So that was pretty quick and rather quick.